Hi guys, so this is Waec 2022 exam objective questions number 7. Okay, so welcome to Miss Angel Educates channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and drop a comment. So let's look at this question. Question says, a bag contains 32 blue, 28 black and 20 red identical balls of same size. If a ball is picked at random, what is the probability that it is not red? So you can see not red, okay? So since we're looking for the probability that it is not red, the basic thing we will do here is, okay, so we're going to find the ones that are not red, and not red is 32 and 28. So 32 plus 28 is 60. Then probability is usually number of outcome. Okay, let's do it this way. Number of outcome. So number of required outcome all over total value. So the required outcome is not red, and not red is 60. So next thing we're looking for now is total value. And total value should be this 60 plus the red, which is 20, and that will give us 80, right? So now for this formula, we substitute and we have 60 over 80. And when we divide 0 and 0, we have 8 over 6. Sorry, we have 6 over 8. So we have 6 over 8. And when we divide further, we have 3 over 4. So our answer is 3 over 4, which is